What's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Tile Tool Tuesday. In this quick 5-minute segment, this 5-minute video, we will be reviewing the best-selling 7-inch tabletop tile saw on Amazon by Skill. This thing has thousands of reviews, nearly 5 out of 5 stars, so they're doing something right. People like this little, small, compact tile saw. Now with this small, compact tabletop tile saw, along with a manual tile cutter, would allow you to easily tile a full walk-in shower or a large flooring job. Use the manual tile cutter for your straight cuts. Use this for your clean cuts, your notches. So what we're going to do in this video is bring the camera up close, unbox this saw, assemble it, fill it with water, plug it in, show you how well it cuts glass, ceramic, and porcelain. Here we go. And here it is. Stainless steel tabletop, adjustable rip fence, bevel cuts. It can bevel or miter at 22.5 or 45. Let's unbox and assemble. Instructions. Nice stainless steel top here. Very small, lightweight, compact saw. Blade, 7-inch diamond blade. Here is your rip fence. Accessories here, your tools. You have your splash guard, your guide for diagonal cuts. Let's install the blade. Now keep in mind guys, this can be for DIYers, homeowners, professionals, or contractors. Again, this equipped with a manual tile cutter will get the job done. This can be used for your cleaner cuts, your notch cuts, and the manual tile cutter can be used for your straight cuts. But there's your miter capability there. The tray does lift up. Feels solid, it feels sturdy. Again, by Skill. As usual, I will leave a link in the description right down there with specs and pricing on this. On and off button. Let's pull this panel off to install the blade. Now this does feel like it is a good quality diamond blade by Skill. And there you have it. This is a nice solid aluminum fence for the table. Let's install the splash guard here. Now the splash guard does adjust up or down. This saw can cut up to 1 3/8 inch of material. You have this corrosive resistant stainless steel tray here. And again, your adjustable rip fence here. Again, this table does move so that you can bevel or miter cut 22.5 or 45. You have your reservoir here for water. Again, 7-inch diamond blade. Very basic, small, compact tile saw. Let's fill it with water. Let's plug this in and show you how well it performs. Again, glass, ceramic, and porcelain. And we turn it on. Very quiet motor compared to our Porter cable. That's a good thing. It's time to cut some material. We will cut this 3/8 of an inch thick glass. We will miter cut the subway ceramic. And lastly, rip this porcelain plank here. Easy, smooth cut, and as you can see, very, very clean. I had no problems pushing this through, and a fantastic cut on glass. Let's move on to the subway ceramic. Not a bad miter at all. Very clean. Hit this with a diamond pad to smooth out the rough edges. So it does miter Subway ceramic very, very well. If you work with a lot of Subway, which is very popular right now, for a tile saw under $100, will definitely help you speed up time having this inside of the bathroom while you cut. Let's rip a porcelain plank. Not a problem at all. The motor feels exceptionally strong for the cost of this thing. Runs about $95 for this saw, but look at that. Very clean, rip, porcelain plank. Impressive. Now I do have to point out, it is a bit messy. A lot of water on this table here, a lot of water on my shirt, but like I said before, this saw equipped with a manual tile cutter will get the job done, will help you install tile for a shower, install tile for flooring. It's a great little saw by Skill. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. As usual, if you want to see future tile tool videos, don't forget to tap that subscribe button down there. And if you want to help my channel, best way to do that is to tap the like button down there. And I'll see you on the next video.